I just wanna.
We got all night, baby.
I just wanna feel some, feel some, feel some.
High volume. Take the time with you.
Yeah, you're in charge, girl. I need that. I need to feel something.
Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with Luxe hair. This is the packaging, which is absolutely stunning. It's so elegant and chic. It's not too much going on. Everything is branded. I got a drawstring bag with a wig on the inside, which I'll get into in a few. I got this branded elastic bag with like the ear puffs that protect your ears, and it's branded. Listen, thoroughly branded. Luxe. You know, you use this whenever you need to melt your lace down to make it look undetectable. I got an edge brush and comb, branded again, a branded pair of HD wig cap. Thank you card, okay, which basically is just thanking, you know, the customer for their order. So that's how that looks. Very, you know, cute, elegant, chic packaging. Absolutely professional. And then there's the silk drawstring bag, great for storage. Today we have this gorgeous 13x4 transparent lace front Bodywave wig, which is 28 inches long, and it's 180% density. Now let's appreciate the thickness for 180% density. You know, sometimes the longer you go, you probably want to go 200 or so. This is 180%, and the wig is very thick. Okay, now it comes lightly pre-plucked. As you can see, it's lightly customized. So I'm gonna apply this wig as is. I'm not gonna go in, I'm not gonna pluck it any further. I'm gonna show you guys that you can rock this and it looks really good without having to do anything else to it. But you can also, you have the choice to do whatever you want to as well. Now this is how the lace looks. It's not bleached or anything. As I say, it's a transparent lace front. It has adjustable straps in the back, 3 combs in the cap, which is a medium cap, and a elastic band which is attached. All of this which helps security. Now as I say, it's not bleach or anything, so if you want to go in and do that, feel free to do so. The texture of this wig, of this hair, super soft, super silky. I went ahead and I applied the wig to my head. I did crisscross the adjustable straps in the back. Now I usually do this for, you know, like a tighter grip, so feel free to do that just to have the wig very, very secure on your head. I'm gonna go in with my Erica J hold me down glue for today's adhesive, and I did a ball cap method, but let me tell you guys, this hair 100% Brazilian virgin hair. Now this hair is a 12A grade, guys. A lot of times I feel like, so, you know, we get the wigs and it's just like you don't pay much money, you throw it down, you don't wash it after everywhere, and it's just like, oh my gosh, you know, the wig never even this or the wig never even that. Personally with me, once I wear my wigs, I always ensure to wash them before I store them. So I urge you guys, whenever you visit the PETITE-SUE website, it states all these things, how to take care of your wig or your hair or whatever it is that you get from them, so you can ensure that it lasts you and you get your money's worth. So as you can see, I'm just reapplying a little bit of glue in the areas that I feel like needed more for the lace to lay. Now I did a complete pullback vibe today. Look at that. Look at that. I was so excited. No, but look at that. The knots are not bleached or anything. As I say, it's a transparent lace. It's a transparent lace front. A transparent lace front pretty much wears down well on any skin tone, guys. As it is, directly out of the package, it looks amazing. Just pretty much hot combing it to the back so I could get it really nice and laid. But let me tell you, these came off so natural looking. No baby hairs, no swoops needed. It's stunning. Stunning. Look at that. The graduation looks amazing as well. And remember, this is exactly how it comes directly out of the packaging. So really and truly, you don't even need to go in and pluck this any further. The graduation is pretty realistic. It is flat. It's not too dense. I was so excited right here. but I was pretty much showing you guys that you have enough space from ear to ear to style it whichever way you please. You have enough lace space to do so, because this is a full-on 13x4 lace front wig. So that's the amount of parting space that you have. You could do a braided style, you could do a half up, half down, you name it. I can't wait to show you guys all the other things you can do, all the other styles and looks you can achieve with the hair from PS Luxe. So it's about to be a journey, okay? Kind of trying to decide which parting to do today. It's, you know, the battle is always between a side part or a middle part, and I went with a nice bust down middle part today. I got my wax stick to lay it really nice and flat. The hair is very easy to work with. It doesn't shed a lot. Let me tell you that this hair, this wig, it doesn't shed a lot. It's very minimal, so please note that it doesn't tangle easily. The more you practice, guys, the more you get it. So if you're just getting into the wig thing, just practice makes perfect. I was perfect in the part there with some concealer, and it's a very easy hack to put it on the tail of your rat tail comb. Now this is how we're looking once everything is melted down. Please note, I didn't have to add any makeup to the lace. If you want to do so, that's how we're looking now. I pretty much move on to redefining the hair because I wanted nice big waves and I just wanted that very refreshed look. So I got my curling iron and I just took my time and I went through that. Tell me this doesn't look good. Tell me this don't look good right now. Talk the truth. Talk the truth in the comment section. This is PS Luxe hair and I'm so excited to present this to you guys. Super excited. And this is just the start of it. So PS Luxe has just started out. I feel like starting out with really great quality transparent lace front wigs are just like, it's just like the move. And I personally, being somebody that's been in the wig industry for years, I just felt like this was a great start, and I can't wait to show you guys everything else that's to come at PS Luxe hair. Now, this is the hair after I went through it thoroughly with my curling iron. Went ahead and did the next side. This is how we're looking. That's it for our Bodywave wig installation today. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. But this is bomb. It feels so good. It's really soft. As I said, minimal shedding. All right, not a lot of flyaways. And it's very full, 180%. 180% in density. Yeah, 28 inches long. Beautiful. I want to urge you guys to go ahead and follow PS Luxe hair. The Instagram handle is on the screen right here. Go ahead and follow them on IG and just keep up to date with what's to come. There you have it. Oh, I feel so good because quality. You guys know that I'm big on quality. Who isn't? If you never used to take it serious at some point in time, trust me, you will. Quality means everything, because you want to know that anywhere you're putting your money, that you can get a certain level of value from it. Yeah, and that is what PS Luxe is offering you guys. Like, literally quality. When I tell you, I can't wait to show you guys all the other stuff from PS Luxe hair. You're gonna be so excited, because one thing I try to do is listen to you guys and see what you want, hear what you want, all of that, and just cater to, you know, all the girls that are trying to get cute and always just looking forward to enhance your beauty. PS Luxe here. yeah, so this is the body wave transformation today. One thing about me, apart from my curly textures, I really do love a good body wave texture. Something about it is just so elegant, so classy, and timeless. I love a good body wave. It's for me, when I think about special occasion, like I'm gonna get all dolled up and dress up and go out somewhere, I think about a body wave texture. Funnily, I don't think I've ever told you guys that, but a body wave is just like, yeah, I'm gonna get super cute, I'm gonna dress up, and I just want a nice body wave bust down, or you want a even better, a side part. Oh, the only reason why I didn't do a side part, I feel like I've been giving you guys a lot of side part vibe when it comes down to the body wave. Have I? It's balance basically, but I do love me a good side part with a body wave. Like, it screams Hollywood glam. It's just chef's kiss. But yeah, so yeah, I love this like transparent lace. You can't go wrong with it because you can literally it literally blends well to any skin tone. So I really love that. As I said, this I applied this wig exactly how it comes in the package. All right, so you guys don't have to worry, did Sue bleach her knots, did Sue do this? No, this is exactly how the lace, how the whole wig comes out of the box. The only thing I did was style it, as you can see, and refine the waves. So yeah, you want to take a step further, you want to go in and you want to bleach it and all that good stuff, go ahead, do that. You could dye the hair, you could do whatever it is that you want to do with the hair, but the hair is definitely, the wig is definitely a 10 top tier transparent lace front wig. That's it, that's all, that's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. And don't forget to go ahead and check out my description box if you're interested in getting this wig for yourself, and if you want to check out the other wigs on PS Luxe Hair, check out the description box down below. Everything is listed that you need to know. Okay, and go ahead and follow them on Instagram at PS Luxe Hair. All right, yeah, that's it for today. I'm done with my rambling. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.
I just wanna feel something.